Hey guys, this is Diksha and you're watching me on Femina.in. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.in.
The first look is quite beginner friendly. Dot the outline of the design you wish to make. And now, simply join the dots. Apply a shimmery eyeshadow of your choice to the lid and inner corner of your eye. Next, fill in your upper lash line. Lastly, lift those lashes up with some mascara. And you're done! Now look number 2 is for someone with some experience in winged liners. White liner is a game changer and can make you look right out of a comic book. Once you've made a wing, use the same liner to make an outline of your crease and curve it upwards to meet your eyebrow. Join the dots as usual. Now, I'm adding some drama to this look with wave-like formations in the area below my brow bone. This part's a little tricky, so carefully outline some portions of the white with black for a more comic book feel. And voila, you're done! Look number 3 is strictly for the pros. Begin with filling in your crease with some green liner. Extend this upward once again to meet your eyebrow. Make the green pop by underlining it with a white eye pencil. Now you need to start drawing flame-like designs in your brow bone area. Once you've done that, add a wing to your lash line with the black eyeliner. Extend the wing in such a way that it underlines the green and then bring it down to your lower lash line. Now fill in all the dramatic details. Next, start filling in your lid with animal print patterns made with black liner. Fill in those patterns with a touch of white liner. Give your lashes some life with some voluminous mascara and do not miss out on the lower ones. Top it off by filling in your lower lash line with a white eye pencil. This look is as fierce as it gets. Now go flaunt it.